In this section, we will look into industry-specific industry data. You can locate investor data in the menu section. We have industry-specific 30K plus investor data. You can filter this data according to your needs. You can filter this according sector, for example, fintech. Then according to investor stage, for example, Series 1A. Then according to country, for example, USA. As according to investor type and minimum investments. As you can see, the filter has been applied. Click on View button to see information of a specific investor. Here, you can see total number investments and lead investments of the investor. You can filter them according to sector and investment rounds. Click on Analytics button to see the investments quantified according to sector, investment rounds and location. Click on Co-investors to see the top 10 collaborators. You can see how many collaborative investments are occurred. That's it.